I'm at an all-time low.
We've got problems.
Take it down, Hiccup!
We need a better plan! And quick! What are you doing? Okay.
You killed both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is... Save him. I knew you'd come around.
If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Be alone. Control the dragons.
No. Sorry.